Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're exploring the single color stamp maker. Honestly, it's the world's simplest way to turn any stamp into a clean, uniform single color design created by Browserling. This tool takes a scanned or photographed stamp, detects all its colors, and then converts it into a single color of your choice. It's perfect for digital use, printing, or even preparing designs for laser engraving. You can choose the stamp color, set a transparent or solid background, and get a crisp, professional look in just a few seconds. Okay, so first open your browser and go to onlinepngtools.com. Scroll down to Single Color Stamp Maker and click it. You'll see the input editor on the left for uploading your stamp, and the options panel on the bottom left for customize the color and background. In the tool options, you can set the stamp color, choose from the palette, or enter a specific RGB value. You can set the background color, either transparent or solid, and you can preview your result instantly in the output panel. Now let's see this in action with 3 examples. Example 1. Convert a multicolor stamp to single color. Here's our input image, a 2-colored American GI form stamp. We set the stamp color to black, keep the background transparent, and the tool instantly turns every pixel of the stamp into clean black while preserving its shape. Here's the final output. And to save it, simply click Save As. Example 2. Normalize colors of the C-mail seal. Our second input is a C-mail seal with uneven pink shades. We go ahead and select a single pink tone, that's RGB 221-097, for the stamp color, and we keep the original background color, RGB 249-236-217. This way the entire stamp looks perfectly uniform, but it still keeps that vintage charm. And here's the clean, consistent result. It's all ready for printing. Just click Save As to download. Example 3. Recolor a Christmas stamp to one color. Finally, we have a multicolored decorative Christmas snowflake stamp. We set the stamp color to a rich sea green RGB 611161 and the background to transparent. It really gives it that elegant and vibrant look. This makes it perfect for printing on holiday cards or adding to gift tags. It's just what you need to add a personal touch to your gifts. Here's the festive result. Crisp, colorful, and easy to place on any background. Just click Save As to download. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our previous videos on PNG Revealer and Canopy Fractal Generator for more amazing online tools. Hey, so head over to onlinepngtools.com. Try the single color stamp maker and see how fast you can clean up your stamps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more free browser-based tools every week.